Tony here. Today the road brings me to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and the reason I have come is to see the Peach Cobbler factory. The Peach Cobbler factory is building a store in our town, Cheraw, South Carolina. So I am going to give you a preview of what a Peach Cobbler factory is, and we're going to go inside. And this is the Peach Cobbler factory. Cinnamon rolls, cobblers, ice cream, banana pudding, milkshake. This is the Carolina Forest Peach Cobbler factory. This is a pretty cool little store. Okay, here's a little menu. So they have all kind of cobblers: peach, apple, cherry, blackberry, strawberries, mango peach, strawberry peach, sweet potato pecan, caramel apple, cinnamon, peach praline, blackberry peach, and apple walnut. That's a lot of cobblers. And then also a lot of puddings as well. Cinnamon rolls, pudding shake. Oh, here are some of their things: apple walnut raisin cobbler, strawberry peach cobbler, honey apple cobbler. We ordered the flight, and you get a choice of 4 different cobblers or puddings and ice cream.
Peach.
We got peach. That's the
Apple, cinnamon.
Walnut and raisins.
Apple, walnut, raisin.
Yeah, apple, walnut, raisin. Cherry.
Cherry cobbler.
Cherry cobbler.
And strawberry banana pudding.
Okay, let's test them. Okay, this is the apple, walnut, and raisins. Oh yeah. I have to say, it's delicious. I can't wait till we get one here in town. Give it a thumbs up. Well, I would say we devoured my suggestion, if you really don't know what you want, you need to get the dessert flight, where you can pick any 4 of what they have, and you can see we devoured it. So Debbie,
Yes.
what did you think?
Oh my goodness, absolutely delicious. You have to try it.
You heard it. Okay, we got the dessert flight. 4 samples was $17.68. That's a pretty good deal. So the little tiny is a sample size, and then the next size up, that's the kid size, and that's the regular size. So that was good.
It was delicious.
Can't wait. That, I have to say, was a treat. The Peach Cobbler factory. Can't wait for them to open up in Cheraw. I know you enjoy it. And hey, also while you're at it, be sure to subscribe to my channel, Carolina Tony, and share it with your family and friends. Till next time, y'all have a good day.